Sige, sige. Sige, bay. Ikaw na, bay. Ikaw sa'yo muna, bay. Kay. Puro bang, bukay ka sa mga
Udapin.
senior sa katong ang vice ganda sa itong sa kayo mong kuwaya nga pagkatanim mo sa nila.
Inte to sa una pero Bisaya mo daw nang tarang Bisaya.
Amo lagi. Wala.
Ako kan tarang sa Madilan.
Kana, kay mayo na, mayo.
Sudan ha.
Kana.
On March 1621, when Magellan was discovered by Philippines, he sailed the night across the big ocean, and they saw a small Limasawa Island. When Magellan landed into Cebu City, if it's a Burikat, they will be very happy. But accidentally, Magellan did get sick because she is playing with high voltage lady. When Lapu-Lapu go to rescue, he was an aeroplane with Francisco. And he saw Magellan of his dead. He cried and then he said,
Mitolo na, mitolo na. Ang luha ni mga mata.
grabe naman loha, oy.
Pagkasakit, pagkasakit.
Grabe sakita na kayo.
Ang kabingaw sa kasakit. What can I do? What can I do? May herpes ka, kumpare ko. Aayon pa ang putulon mo. Aron wala na'y kohesyon.
Paring Magellan, you are sick. Ako the doctor, very quick. The doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Oh, mother, why I'm sick? Oh, the doctor, very quick. The doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry.